Hey YouTube, I'm just showing you my new Zippo lighter. Just got a picture of Jerry. My friend Eric got it at Hot Topic. I think it was in Lake Taunton or something, I don't know. It's D-Who lighter. It's not even a Zippo, it's a generic Zippo made in China. Like, pull it out. This is not a Zippo lighter made in China. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do a trick called, I learned this from, I forgot what the username was, but I'll put it in the description. It's called the Ferris wheel. Flick it open, light it. Well, anyway, you flick it open, light it, do one revolution in the air, bring it, catch it either by the base, and flick it forward, like that. These don't close well because they're generic Zippos. Hold it by the top, flick it down. Bring your hand over here, light it, then just flick it backwards once. If you catch it by the lid, flip it back and close, and that'll be that. This way, if you go like this and catch it by the base, just fling that forward and it'll close, because yeah, the Zippo, I don't have one right now. Sometimes it'll land just like this. It'll close. I'm not sure if I can do that right now. Yeah, I did it. Well, sort of. Oh. That was a fail. Alright, so. It's actually a pretty nice lighter. It was only like $7, my friend said. Anyway, comment, rate, subscribe, thanks.